In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert Greek letters into your Microsoft Word document. This simple but handy skill can be incredibly useful for anyone working with scientific, mathematical, or even academic content. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Microsoft Word file. Start by navigating to the document you need to work on. You're going to want to have it open and ready so you can follow along with our instructions seamlessly. Now, once you're in your Word document, you'll need to direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the page. You're going to look for the Insert tab up there. Go ahead and click on it. This is where we can add various elements to your document, such as tables, pictures, and importantly for today, equations. After you've clicked on Insert, you'll see a variety of options. What we need here is the Equation option. This is usually represented by a pi symbol or simply the word equation. Click on that and it will bring up a new toolbar at the top of your screen called Equation Tools. Within this new toolbar, you'll see the Design tab highlighted. This is the section we want to focus on. Now within the Design tab, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Basic Math. This is the part where we can customize the symbols available for use in our equations. Click on Basic Math and a menu will appear with other symbol categories. From here, you need to select Greek letters. This category is specifically tailored for what we want to achieve today. Once you've selected Greek letters, you'll see the Greek letter options appear, including both uppercase and lowercase letters from the Greek alphabet. Simply scroll through these until you find the letter you need for your document. Greek letters can be useful for a wide range of symbols in different contexts, whether you're working on math problems, scientific equations, or simply need them for academic purposes. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted a Greek letter into your Word document. This feature can save you a lot of time and make your documents look professional and polished when dealing with or typing complex formulas and specialized content. If you ever need to revisit this process, remember to open your document, head to the Insert tab, find Equation, and play around with the Equation tools under Design. Experiment with other equation options available to you to further explore the range of possibilities Microsoft Word offers in terms of mathematical or scientific notation. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks in Microsoft Word. See you next time.